Good day and welcome to our channel, Chase the View. For today, we will unbox this DJI Mini 5 Pro FMC Plus. So it is the version with the extended battery life of 52 minutes each. So yeah, let's go. This is brand new that we got from Lazada a few days ago. So yan, sige, buksan na natin. So it comes with this plastic packaging from DJI, and as you can see, we have the drone, the Mini 5 Pro, together with the RC2 remote controller. And yeah, so let's see what's inside the box. So while opening this, this is a mini drone which is quite packed with features. So it has obstacle sensing, it has LiDAR, it has a 1-inch sensor for low light performance. Okay, so inside the box you have the premium DJI bag. So this is also waterproof and have a premium quality. So inside this bag you'll see all the contents of this drone package. So let me just pull this out. Okay, and it has also a DJI bag label, which we will take out in a bit, or take off. Okay, let me open this bag and see what's inside. Okay, we start with the DJI RC2 remote controller. So it has a really good size screen and 2 antennas. The control sticks are at the back, which you need to pull out and install. This also has good battery life and good quality screen and OcuSync 4. So for long range flights, this is a good remote control. So unlike the RC entry, this one, you already have a screen, so you don't have to keep on putting or attaching a phone. Okay, and now we are pulling out itong DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is a very compact, lightweight mini drone. So it's really good for travel. And it only weighs 249 grams with the regular battery. So yan. So this is good for content creators. And also we have the battery hub with additional 2 batteries, 52 minutes each, claimed flight time. So it all depends on how you fly. So it may be lesser, of course. So this is really good to have for efficient charging. So I suggest you label your batteries, 1, 2, and 3, so so you can cycle them equally and not have a battery na super gamit na. So inside this black box you have a USB-C cable, which you can use to charge the battery in a drone, of course, and transfer files. And then we have 6 extra propellers. You also have this ND filters. Okay, so if it's quite sunny, you can take advantage of balancing your exposure with the 3 included ND filters. We have ND8, ND32, and ND128 for long exposures. So this is really nice to have. And of course you have a DJI sticker and a manual, which we don't normally read. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.